Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CRV. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently on a daily time frame chart, CRV has broken out another up channel. Previously, you can see that it was moving inside this down channel, and finally we broke it out here. Here, by the way, we broke it out on 7th of Feb 2024. But we found another support and resistance of another up channel while it was moving inside this previous down channel. And you can see that the price line also formed a double bottom here as well before the breakout. And since then, it has rallied very well. If I place this measurement tool from this bottom up to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 95%, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of 80 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. The targets for these two breakouts I was telling you in my previous video was here. And the target for this falling wedge pattern, down channel pattern was here, approximately 67 cents or 68 cents. And the target for this breakout from this channel was here, and the next resistance of 80 cents. And you can see that the price line has moved beyond that target, approximately up to 85 cents, but could not break out this resistance, a quite long-term resistance of 80 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 80 cents level has been working as a support here, resistance here, and now again it is working as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern. And after that, now it is trying to break out a very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that we have crossed up this lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is about to break the upper bands of the Ichimoku bearish cloud. This is the second week, by the way, it is struggling to break it out. And we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Sleepless AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 16th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite nice pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of CRV. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And previously, we have been following this down channel. And I was telling you that after the formation of this double bottom, there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of the channel. The target that I was telling you, the expected move or target was here at the top of the channel, approximately between 67 to 68 cents. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target up to 85 cents. And now it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of 80 cents. Sometimes it is moving above 80 cents and sometimes it is moving below. However, this is a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that the previous candlestick was closed above 80 cents. And now it is testing the previous resistance of 80 cents as a support. If this weekly candlestick will be also closed above the 80 cents resistance, and I'm expecting an imminent move up to the next major resistance that will be here at $1. That's a quite long-term resistance, by the way. And you can see that on this weekly time frame chart, we have already broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern as well. Since after the month of May 2021, you can see when we found the support of this wedge, uh, it was moving inside this wedge and we broke out here in the month of October 2023. And after that, we had price correction. And during this correction move, the price then formed this down channel and broke it out. And at the same time, you can see that it is also struggling to break out this quite long-term and very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Previously, we got stable ejections here, and now it is again trying to break out. This time, you can see that the bearish cloud is quite weak. Previously, it was very strong here, and now it is quite weak. Therefore, there is a probability that it may break out the cloud. We have crossed up this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is about to cross up the upper bands as well. And once it will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then it will be flipped into a very long-term support. And then we can expect a very long-term rally to the upside. The technical target for this breakout from this wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of this wedge, that is between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.